The 2025 Opel Grandland marks a significant evolution for the brand, embracing a bold design, advanced technology, and a commitment to electrification. Here's an in-depth look at what this next-generation SUV offers. Powertrains and performance. Built on the Stellantis STLA medium platform, the Grandland is available in 3 electrified variants. Mild hybrid, MHEV combines a 1.2L turbo petrol engine with a 28 brake horsepower electric motor, offering efficient urban driving. Plug-in hybrid, PHEV provides up to 85 km of electric-only range, WLTP, catering to those seeking flexibility between electric and combustion power. Fully electric, BEV available with battery options of 73 kWh, 82 kWh, and an upcoming 98 kWh, delivering ranges up to approximately 700 km, WLTP. Charging is efficient, with the 73 kWh model supporting 150 kW CCS fast charging, replenishing 20 to 80% in about 29 to 30 minutes. Interior and comfort. The Grandland's interior emphasizes space and sustainability. Spacious cabin, an increase in dimensions, 173 mm longer, 19 mm taller, and 64 mm wider, translates to more legroom and headroom. Comfort features, AGR-certified ergonomic seats with ventilation and massage functions, and the innovative IntelliSeat design alleviate pressure during long drives. Sustainable materials. The interior utilizes 100% recycled fabrics, including vegan options, aligning with Opel's Greenovation initiative. Latest automotive news. Technology and safety. The Grandland is equipped with cutting-edge technology. Infotainment, a 16-inch central display offers intuitive access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Lighting, the IntelliLux Pixel HD system, with over 50,000 elements, provides adaptive lighting for enhanced visibility. Driver assistance, features like IntelliDrive 2.0, automatic cruise control with stop and go, and extended traffic sign recognition enhance safety and convenience. Practicality and storage. Designed with family needs in mind. Cargo space. Boot capacity has increased to 550 liters, expandable to 1,645 liters with rear seats folded. Innovative storage. The Pixel Box offers a secure, illuminated space for wireless smartphone charging, complemented by various storage compartments totaling over 35 liters. Pros and cons. Pros, impressive electric range up to 700 kilometers, WLTP. Spacious and comfortable interior with sustainable materials. Advanced technology and driver assistance systems. Cons, the mild hybrid's electric-only range is limited to about 1 kilometer at a time. Some interior controls, like steering wheel buttons, may feel less intuitive. Pricing and availability. In Germany, pricing starts at mild hybrid, €36,400. Plug-in hybrid, €40,150. Fully electric, €46,750, with higher trims reaching €51,950.